Hi, I'm Sanjay Chawla, Salient's Chief Product Officer, and I'm here to share with you some of the highlights from our Q3 2024 release. The big deal with the Q3 2024 release is Complete View 7.5. This is a pretty substantial release, and it has some elements that are really targeted at large enterprise deployments, and it has some elements that are really targeted at just better operator experience. Let's first start by talking about some of the enterprise-focused capabilities. There are two of them. The first is federation, and this is really a means to scale large geographically distributed deployments. It allows you to set up a management server at each site or every region and federate them under a parent management server. The benefit of this, you don't have a single point of failure, and you have a smooth user experience because as a user in a federated system, you have the ability to seamlessly switch between sites. And so it's the perfect blend between great user experience, very reliable, very robust, very scalable deployment architecture. Besides the federation capability, we've also introduced storage encryption natively on our recorders. So this means the ability for the recorder to encrypt the video that it stores to disk. Fantastic protection for data at rest, great for cybersecurity. That's it for the enterprise focused capabilities. Let's talk a little bit about more of the operator related things. And so first, we'll start with the mobile apps. We have a brand new Android app, highly anticipated, brings the Android experience in line with the existing iOS experience and with the web client that we've got. So same look and feel, compatible with version 7, compatible with Salient Cloud Services, available and live on the Google Play Store. We've also made an update to the existing iOS app. It's already been live. We've made some updates specifically to enhance the playback experience, kind of the smoothness with scrubbing on the timeline, things like that. And so if you've already got the iOS app, if you're using it, do make sure to visit the Apple App Store and check that you've got the latest version pulled down. So those are the mobile apps. Let's talk a little bit more about investigators. We've done two things here. One, we've made some major enhancements to the playback search experience in the desktop client. So it's borrowing from a lot of the work that we did in previous version 7 releases around the timeline experience, and we've brought that into playback search. So whether you're doing list clip search, whether you're doing event search, any of the playback search modes that we've got, whenever we pull up video as you're going through your playback search, we now have those really nice playback controls from the timeline enhancements that we made. So smooth scrubbing, all the fine-tuned controls, the ability to move forward and back a frame, all that great stuff, along with a variety of enhancements that preserve a lot of the search settings, so that makes it really easy to switch between cameras, not lose track of time. Just a bunch of stuff focused at making the life of the operators and investigators in this particular case a lot more efficient. Additionally, talking about investigators, since it's very important to protect the evidence, we've now added native support for encrypting any video, any content that's exported out. And so you can set a password every time you export. Great way to protect that. This is just a quick highlight of some of the most exciting features in our Q3 2024 release. They're part of Complete View 7.5. There's actually a ton more. And so we highly recommend you visit salientsys.com/latest-release. Many of these features are highlighted there. We've also got other features that are just a part of version 7 overall, along with little highlight video clips of each, so you can get a mini demo. That's really all. You can also access this release. It is live. You have to have a MySalient account. Visit mysalient.com. That's our portal. Create an account if you haven't already, and you should be able to access this latest software from the software downloads page. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us here. We are so excited about this release, and we hope you enjoy it too.